Hello everyone. Standard 12th Accountancy, Chapter number 5, Admission of a Partner. Question number 20. Last sum of the chapter. Meet Jeet and Neil are partners having profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31/3/17 was as under. Okay, here you can see three partners are already there. Means the fourth partner will be admitted. Okay, be careful with the sum part. Last sum, but it's very much important sum, because only this is the sum in which you are having four partners. Capital of three partners are given: general reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, workmen compensation reserve, workmen profit sharing fund, workmen saving account and creditors. Assets side: building, machinery, investment, data, stock, cash balance is given. On the above date, they admitted Heat as a new partner on the following conditions: Meet sacrificed 1/8 share and Neil sacrificed 1/24th share. Okay, only two partners are sacrificing. Okay, who is sacrificing? Meet and Neil. It means Jeet will not sacrifice anything from their profit in favor of Heat. Goodwill is valued at ₹60,000. He will bring her share of goodwill in cash. Market value of investment is ₹52,000, which is to be shown in the books. Claim for workmen compensation is accepted ₹18,000. Market value of machinery is ₹60,000 and market value of building is ₹1,26,000, which are to be brought in the books. Here will bring ₹50,000 as her capital in cash. Capital of the partner shall be proportional to the new profit loss sharing ratio, taking his capital as the base. Necessary effect is to be given in cash. Prepare necessary accounts and balance sheet after admission of Heat. A little bit complicated sum, but yes, as I told you, it is very much important sum for board examination. So be careful with the sum part. Okay, got it clear? Each and every adjustments. Okay, listen to the videos again and again. Okay, all your doubts will be cleared. Thank you.
Solution of question number 20, chapter number 5, admission of a partner. As you can see, there are four partners. Okay, so what to prepare the column properly. Okay, let me start with the adjustment number 1. So the first adjustment: Meet sacrifice 1/8 share and Neil sacrifice 1/24th share from the profit in favor of Heat. Okay. So Meet is sacrificing 1/8 and Neil is sacrificing 1/24. Okay. So whole ratio is 3:2:1, means 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. So 3/6 sacrifice 1/8. Jeet is not sacrificing anything and Neil has sacrificed 1/24. So this is my new ratio, getting the LCM. He will be getting 1/8 from me and 1/24 from Neil. Adding the amount, I got the ratio of Neil as a new partner. In the next one, so with the help of this, I got the sacrifice ratio 1/8 is to 1/24. Getting the base same, I got sacrifice ratio as 3:1. Okay. In the second one, as we told that goodwill of the firm is valued at ₹60,000. So from that particular amount of goodwill, okay, he is going to bring his share of goodwill, a share of goodwill in cash. 60,000 into 4/24 is 10,000. So he got the amount of goodwill in terms of cash as rupees 10,000. Okay. So now the entry will be, as you already learned, cash account debit to Meet to Neil. Why only Meet and Neil? Because they both are only sacrificing. Sacrificing partners will only have the right to get the amount of goodwill. So cash account debit to Meet and to Neil. Cash account debit side to premium for goodwill. Partners side on credit side by premium for goodwill. Meet and Neil will get the particular amount. Okay. Next adjustment. Market value of investment is 52,000, which is to be shown in the books. Okay. Let me write the investment amount first number 52,000. Investment 52,000. Okay. Investment, as I can see in the books of account, it is given as 60,000. So there is a loss of 8,000. But in liability side, investment reserve is also given as 20,000. So the reserve amount is more than my loss amount. So from that reserve amount 20,000, I will separate 8,000. So remaining is 12,000. The remaining amount of reserve I will transfer into partners capital account credit side to all partners in all ratio. All ratio is 3:2:1. So 12,000 remaining balance of reserve of investment I will transfer 6,000, 4,000, amount is given, rupees 15,000. Okay, now it is accepted rupees 18,000. Means the claim has been accepted for 3,000 more. Means it is one type of loss as liabilities increase. So there is a loss of rupees 3,000. Value of machinery is 60,000. Machinery you can see in the books is given 80,000. So one second there is a loss. To machinery 20,000 loss. And over here machinery is now 60,000. Okay, loss on debit side and then remaining amount on asset side. Building is 126. Building is given in the books at rupees 1 lakh. Now it is 26,000 more. So by building 26,000 profit over to here asset side. Now the value of building is rupees 1,26,000. Okay. Then next, he will bring 50,000 as a capital cash. Okay. New partner is bringing the amount of capital to its capital 50,000 by cash bracket capital in his column 50,000. Okay. And at the end, capital of the partner is proportional to the new profit loss ratio, taking its capital as the base. Necessary effect is to be given in cash account. Okay. We are to take the base of its capital. So what is the new ratio? 9834. What is the ratio of yield? 4. For 4 he has got the capital of 50,000. So for 4 it is 50,000. So for 1 it is 12,500. 50,000 divided by 4 if you will do, we will get the answer as 12,500. Okay. So for 1 it is 12,500. So for 3 it is 37,500. For 8 it is 1 lakh and for 9 it is 1,12,500. This is the balance of capital which they have to maintain. So write it over here first of all. To balance carried down 1,12,500. This is 1 lakh. This is 37,500 and this is 50,000. Means beforehand only I already got the balance of capital. So write it over here itself. 1,12,500, 1,37,500 and 50,000 gives me a total of 3 lakh. Okay. Now I have transferred the remaining balances of balance sheet. Capital is given 1,75,000, 50,000. By balance brought down 1,75,000, 50,000. General reserve is given. Partners capital credit side 12,000, 6,000, 4,000, 2,000. In old ratio. Workmen compensation transferred. Workmen profit sharing fund is given 35,000. Then workmen's saving account is given worth 40,000. Then creditors is given worth 23,000. Okay. Then the revaluation account side. Okay. Let's close the revaluation account. 26,000. 26,000 minus 23. 3,000. To partners capital me G nil. 3,000 the ratio of 3:2:1 means 1,500. Okay, 900 and 600. 3,000 divided by 6. Okay, is 500. 500, 1,000 and 1,500. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3,000 divided by 6 is 500. For 1, 500. For 2, 1,000. For 3, 1,500. Transfer on partners capital on credit side by revaluation account 1,500, 1,500. Let me close the account now. Okay. So 1 lakh plus 7,500 plus 6,000 plus 6,000 I think this side is more. Okay, cash on debit side will transfer on credit side of cash account by means capital 8500. Okay, 1 lakh, total 1 lakh. Out of this 1 lakh, got to subtract the minor amount of debit credit side 75,000, 4,000, 4,000, 1,000, got the balance as 16,000. Credit side over to here to Jeep's capital 16,000. Need this side is more 50 plus 50, 52, 54, 54, 55, 56, 57,000. Still let us check in calculator. 50,000 plus 2,500 plus 2,000 plus 2,500. 57,000. 57,000 minus 37,500. 19,500 over here by need is capital 19,500. Okay, so now transferring of assets side, I think so it's left. Let me transfer. Building is done. Okay, machine is done. Investment is done. Debtors 40,000. Stock 64,000. Cash 26,000. Okay. Let me close the cash account now. 26,000 plus 10,000 plus 50,000 plus 16,000. Total is 1,02,026, 36, 46, 52, 1,02,000, 1,02,000 minus 8,500 minus 19,500 gives me a balance of 74,000. By balance carried down over here, cash 74,000. Let me close. 3 lakh plus 18,000 plus 35,000 plus 40,000 plus 23,000, 4,16,000 minus 60,000 minus 52,000 minus 126,000 minus 40,000 minus 64,000 minus 74,000. Got the same balance 4,16,000. I hope so. I'm very much clear with the sum part. Okay, this is the last sum of chapter number 5, admission of a partner. As I have already told you, from question number 16 to question number 20. Okay, all sums are very much important. You have to keep on practicing the sums from textbook itself. Don't practice all the sums of textbook, then go for other reference books or anything else. Okay, look into the sum again. Okay, try to solve the sum 2-3 times so that you can mug up with the figures. Okay, in case you are facing any difficulties, okay, then also if you have solved the sum for 5-6 times, now you will come to know where is the mistake is basically. Okay, thank you once again. Here I am completing chapter number 5, admission of a partner. Thank you.